Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day, and if you're not, I hope this video might distract you from your not so happy day. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Renu and I would love if you subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week. I try to post videos every week, but sometimes I might actually skip a video or two. I mean a week or two. But yeah, and if you're not new here, if you've seen my previous videos, you know there's something a little bit different about me. Can you guess it? Can you guess? It's my hair. Yep, I got my hair colored finally by someone who knows actually what they're doing. Because if you are new here, obviously, then you may not have seen this video in which I tried to dye my own hair, and it was quite a bit of a fail. I will put a side note if you want to see that, and put the link of that video in the description, so if you want to check that out, because it's funny to just see that fail. So if you want to see that, you can see that. But today this video is all about hair colors. Now, I have been contemplating this for so long, like I think for months and months, and I finally got it done. And I have these few tips, or maybe a few things that you should hear from someone before you get your hair colored. First, decide carefully, plan beforehand, and just look at different mood boards on Pinterest or Instagram, save the pictures that you find that you would like to have yourself, and yeah, just see more pictures and videos and reviews and basically whatever. Always decide carefully what color you want to select. I kind of did it spontaneously, like on the spot I decided which color I wanted. However, I think the best option would be to think about it carefully. Second, know the dates beforehand. It is very important to know all the details about what you're getting done beforehand. मेरे हिसाब से काफ़ी important है, you should probably research about the kind of hair color that you want after you finally decided कि what kind of hair color is it, कि आपके nearby salons में ये सब कर सकते हो आप. You should go there, ask them, and it's just way more easier and way more convenient when you have all the facts in front of you. Third, is it cost effective? Let's be real, getting your hair colored can be expensive. So is it cost effective? Because this color will stay a lot longer than the one that I actually wanted on the spot, and this was for 4,000 bucks, and the one that I wanted was for 5,000 and would have stayed half the time as this color, which is why I chose your basic red color. Fourth, it is exciting and not exciting at the same time. I am gonna say, जब मैंने color करवाया था उसी दिन it just felt surreal. Like I just did not think that I actually got it colored, and like पहले एक दो दिन it's like कि मैंने सही में अपने hair color करवाए हैं कि नहीं करवाए. It's just like that weird feeling. But exciting होता है जब दूसरे आपको compliment देते हैं, and like it's like little things कि जब मैं उठती हूँ I'm like, oh wow, I have red hair now. Yeah, that was weird. It's gonna be exciting, and yet it's gonna be just the same for you. Fifth, people are gonna stare. One thing that you definitely notice is people are gonna stare at you a lot. Just be confident about it, You're just gonna rock it on your own. It's as simple as that. Just don't care about them. Just think about yourself. Sixth, you'll get mixed reviews. आपको definitely mixed review मिलेंगे. I mean, मेरे को तो बहुत मिले हैं, and काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद है, कुछ लोगों को नहीं पसंद. I mean, like my dad, he hates it. He's like, ये क्या करवा लिए? And like my whole family just does not like it. But you know what? It's whatever. People are gonna hate you, people are gonna love you, people are gonna hate your hairstyle, people are gonna love your hairstyle. It all depends on what they like and what they don't like, and it depends on their personality. And honestly, you should not take it to heart. So don't think about it too much, alright? And seventh, what you think. No matter what people say, how they look at you, how they stare, in the end, all that matters is your opinion. What do you think of your hair color? Do you want to get it done? If you have, do you like it or not? It ends with you. What do you think? I love my hair color, so I don't care what other people think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel अगर अभी तक करा नहीं है. Push the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And comment down कि तुम्हें ये tips कैसी लगी. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.